The following message is transmitted at the request of the Milwaukee Police Department. Residents of Milwaukee, lock all of your doors immediately. An extremely dangerous individual was last seen roaming around the city of Milwaukee, breaking into people's homes, stealing Christmas presents, causing robberies, attacking innocent people, and abducting young children. As a precaution, all residents in the city of Milwaukee are advised to remain indoors with all windows and doors locked. If you see this individual, report him to the police and call 911 immediately. If he breaks into your home, use armed protection. By all means, do not approach him, as he is considered extremely armed and dangerous. Stay tuned for more information on this developing situation. The following message is transmitted at the request of the Milwaukee Police Department. The individual known as the Anti-Santa has continued his spree of home invasions, thefts, and abductions across Milwaukee. He was last seen driving a red van resembling a sleigh, with reindeer decorations on the roof. Reports indicate that this suspect is moving quickly between neighborhoods. Residents are strongly urged to stay indoors, avoid travel, and secure all valuables. Do not leave gifts or packages visible through windows or doors, as they may be targeted. Law enforcement is working to apprehend this individual. Use extreme caution, and stay tuned for additional updates. The following message is transmitted at the request of the Milwaukee Police Department. The suspect known as the Anti-Santa has been apprehended following a high-speed chase through downtown Milwaukee. Officers found stolen Christmas presents and other valuables in his vehicle, along with items reportedly taken from homes across the city. Law enforcement thanks residents for their cooperation during this incident. The city can now return to normal activities, but authorities remind everyone to stay vigilant during the holiday season. Merry Christmas, Milwaukee.